Inhale, curl your toes. Exhale, press your hips up and back, down dog. Walk your dog a bit, press one heel low, then the other, breathing into the backs of your knees. And pull your belly in, press your hips up, press your heels down. Stay for the exhale. Walk your feet and meet your hands top of the mat, and then sit your hips back to a prayer squat. Palms together, center of your chest. Breathe into your belly. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, lift your hips. Straighten your back. Exhale, fold over. Let your head hang, relax your shoulders. Grab opposite elbows and sway side to side. Continue to breathe into the backs of your knees. Let your head hang towards the mat. Let something unimportant fall out of the top of it and disappear into the mat forever. Release your elbows.